Is every woman wishing a man would love me? I have a guy who is more passionate about work than the girl. I look beautiful, but I don't know why he's not interested. I need to be more beautiful in his eyes. Now I thought of something. I dress sexy to seduce him, but he doesn't really care about it. Even though I look pretty good, he pushed me away and continued to put his face into the work computer. The girl whose neighbor sees him like this doesn't know if he will curse him. Think for a long time I had a way to get him to make love to me. You know what that is? I will show you right here. Please wait and see. It's almost there. I use this hairpin. It's black. It's very mysterious. I ran outside to get some glue on the candle, but my house doesn't have a glue gun. I have to buy more glue guns, so I went home and used a glue gun to glue candle glue on this. I shot the candle glue evenly over it so that it formed an ear, then continued to shoot gradually. Glue the candle onto that hair pair so that it forms another ear. Then I waited for the first ear to dry, then the second ear will dry. Logically, the first one will dry first. Then I put on a very short skirt to go to where he worked to lie on it. He came in and found me hot, so he had a cuddling act and we would be showered for 3 hours afterwards. You see, with just a small change in the head, you can make a guy want to be with you. Don't forget to subscribe and like our videos. That's the motivation for us to create videos that appeal to the opposite sex. Spread our videos in YouTube channels so we can reach new heights and become the biggest YouTube channel in the world. We thank you very much. Here are some tips for candle glue that you should know. You can absolutely create expensive jewelry to open shops and trade them. You can sell them at affordable prices. You should glue the candle out to a disc shaped like a dewdrop. Or didn't do so to create a cord long enough to wear around the neck. Then with a little nail polish you can paint it with the color you like. If you like red, then paint red. If you like yellow, then paint yellow. If you like black, paint then black. It all shows your personality. Remember to paint carefully. You cut a decorative string and attach it to both ends with candle glue. If you like brown, then you use brown string. If you like blue, use the blue string. If you like purple, use a purple rope. All is your choice. That's it. Please put it on your neck and raise your head confidently to go out.
I was going to go outside, but this shirt wasn't very nice.
I have this idea. We will use cloth shears. Let's first spread the shirt on the table. First spread the shirt and cut off the chalk with a line. We can draw about 10 of these, up to down, so on from the beginning to the end of the shirt. Then we will use scissors to cut along the line. Put your hand in and take each cut up. We tie them together in a bundle. What does it look like? It's cool, isn't it? You can be confident in the street with this creation. So beautiful. You are so smart.